Hey guys, good morning. Okay, it's Tuesday of our second to last week of school. So this week, remember, is just a fun week. So we're just doing fun things all week. Nothing is for a grade. You don't have to turn anything in. You do need to turn in any missing assignments that you have not done yet. So I emailed, I think, everybody yesterday that needed to turn in an assignment. So if your parents got that email, please work on that today. But if you are done, then you can do these fun activities. So yesterday was like your virtual field trip options, which is really cool. We did some of them here. And today you can do the virtual field trip again today if you want. None of this, you have to do an order this week. So today's Tuesday, so I just downloaded the file, and it is instructions for a science experiment. So you can read the directions, and then there are like science experiment papers that you can do to fill out the steps and what you're recording, what you see for that, for your science experiment, if you would like to do that. So today is for science experiments. You can do any science experiment you want, or you could do more of the virtual field trips, because there was a lot of options yesterday for the virtual field trips. That's all for today. So make sure that you guys are finishing up any graded activities. And also, I need to know, or Miss Strickland needs to know, if you would like to be a part of our virtual talent show. You'll do it'll be like 30 to 60 seconds worth of an activity or singing or dance, or to show off a skill that you may have. So if you would like to be a part of the virtual talent show, or even if you just think you might, let us know so we know how many people are going to do it. And it's going to be either just my class and then Miss Strickland's class, or we're going to do it together. But that's it. It won't be like the whole second grade or anything. So let us know if you think you might want to do that, and we'll see you tomorrow.